Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you're like me and maxi skirts are a wardrobe staple for you, you have to check out the latest addition to my closet. This skirt is from KOH. I absolutely love it. My favorite thing about this skirt is how the waistline is designed. So you've got ruching in the front with an elastic band on the back. I really love how it sits high on your waist because what it does for me is it hugs me where I'm the smallest, and then from my waistline down, it's nice and flowy. I find this to be very flattering for me. I will tell you that the waistline is kind of snug. So I ordered a medium, which is normal for me. I'm about 5'5", 130 pounds. I could probably wear a large in this, but to me, it fits absolutely perfect, but you might want to keep that in mind when you're trying to select your size. I also love this print. The colors are beautiful and bold against the ivory background. It's very comfortable. It's made of 100% polyester, so it's soft, it's breathable, it has pockets, which is always a bonus. But it's truly one of my favorites right now. So if you love a good maxi skirt that is sure to flatter, you're gonna absolutely love this one. And that's my point of view.